Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use brick pins. First, gather your essential tools: brick pins, a hammer, and a drill. Make sure your drill is equipped with a masonry bit that precisely matches the diameter of your brick pins for optimal results. Carefully mark the exact spots on your brick surface where you plan to install each pin. This initial preparation ensures accuracy and a secure installation. Now it's time to drill. Using your masonry bit, carefully create pilot holes at each marked location on the brick. Remember, the depth of these holes should be just a little bit shorter than the length of your brick pins. This ensures a snug fit. After drilling, take a moment to thoroughly clear out any dust or debris from inside the holes. A clean hole is crucial for a strong, lasting hold. With your holes prepared, it's time to insert the pins. Take each brick pin and gently tap it into its pilot hole using your hammer. Aim for the pin to be either flush with the brick surface or just slightly recessed. It's important to avoid hitting the pin too hard, as overhammering could potentially damage both the brick and the pin itself. A firm, steady hand is key here. Congratulations, your brick pins are now securely installed and ready for use. These robust pins provide an excellent anchor point, capable of supporting various fixtures or decorations. You can confidently hang items weighing up to 25 pounds. For long-term peace of mind, it's a good practice to periodically check the stability of your pins, especially after placing heavier objects on them. Enjoy your newly secured items.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.